We're 3 days into 2023 and I've already gone out and bought myself a bunch of new tools for the year, and we're going to open them all up and have a look what's inside. Careful with knives, otherwise you'll end up with stitches like me. Alright, this first box contains a battery inverter. I'm not familiar with the brand Ego, but all these tools are from that brand. So what it looks like is we've got this charger, a battery that goes on it. This is a 56 volt battery. Slides in the charger like that, that's quite bulky. And this is my inverter, which the battery slides into. And as you can see, we've got a dual USB port and also just a normal wall plug. As you can imagine, all the proper tools are in this big box. Let's open this one first too though. Look at all this. These are all attachments for a battery blower in this box. Let's just put them to the side. And this goes up the end. So they actually attach to the blower and I can walk on the ground and that blows air around that U shape and it can clean up my gutters while I walk on the ground. This is what we're here for. Oh, here we go. This thing is unreal. Bloody hell. Alright, this is that blower. All those nozzles on the side, that's like a 2 meter extension for this blower. What are the odds that the battery's charged? That is exciting. Alright, we've got a second Ego charger. Have a look at this. This is a fully electric lawnmower. Pretty blown away with how cool this thing is. That is super smooth. So these are my new tools for week 1 of 2023. I feel like it's Christmas all over again. Comment what tools you're interested in seeing a review on and I'll make it happen.